Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nick Gulliver. So in this video, I'll be unboxing Govee's latest product. Now this product is called the Govee Lighting Kit. So today's product is going to be broken up across two videos. In this video, I'm going to be focusing on unboxing of this product and what comes in this box. But in the second video, which you can watch straight after this, I'll be showing you how to set it up and how to create 3D immersive lighting with this product so you can really step up your gaming or studio space. But for now, let's jump into the unboxing. Okay, so let's have a look at the box. Obviously it got posted to me, so it's a little bit rough around the edges, but I want to have a quick look. So it says it works with Google and Alexa. It's gaming, warm, white, daylight, cool white, and it has 16 million colors. And there also seems to be a backlight that you'll be able to mount on the back of your monitor as well. So let's open up this box. Now this is the first time I've opened it, so I have no idea what's actually going to be inside. Oh wow, this is nice, very luxe. Good one, Govee, or however you want to say it, wherever you are in the world. A little bit of felt. So what have we got here? So this must be the camera. That's cool. It's very different to the old design, which was just straight up. This is looking a little bit more funky. I like that. And there's a little camera on the inside there, if you can see. Okay, so that's the camera. And we've got a cable that must be connected to the light beams here. Oh, nice. This feels really premium. They've done a really good job with this. It actually feels like you're getting a good quality product. And it's got nice Velcro on the bottom here so that when you put it down on your stand, it doesn't scratch the table. So I like that. That's very cool. Let's see if we can get the next one out. A little matching. And these are good. These are pretty good height too. And there seems to be nice diffusion, like a kind of plastic diffusion here. And the back is made of plastic, but it's not a flimsy feel. It actually feels quite nice. So I like that. So let's pull that over there. Okay, let's see what's in level number 2. Okay, put the foam. Okay, we've got some game lighting, quick starter guide and user manual. Okay, so the next little part we've got here, this seems to be the light that goes around the back of the actual monitor. So that'll be really interesting because in the past it's kind of just been LED. Ooh, this is interesting. What is this? Feels like it's like a kind of, oh, nice. So this is like a diffused, almost like rope lighting. I like this. This is very cool. And they've got these little Velcro straps here that you can undo. Oh, that's cool. It's flexible, it bends. Oh, that is so cool. Because that's the biggest thing that I find with a lot of these lights that sit on the back of monitors. You've got the LED strip that runs along and then it kind of, you have to do this like weird bend, or some of them you can snip, but this is soft and it's flexible. I like that. Ooh. So I'll put that there. Now what have we got here? I'm guessing this is the power cables. So let's have a look. You know what? I'm going to pull everything out of this box. So move that box off to the left here. Okay, let's lay this out and work out. So let's have a look in here. Oh, okay. I like the commitment to black packaging because so many brands do white packaging and I like this. So I'll put that to the side. Okay, so we have, which I'm guessing is a little cable here. This must be for connecting the video, headphones and camera. Okay, interesting. Then we've got a little power cable here. That to the side. And what are these things? Ah, I see what these are. So these are the little mounting brackets back of your monitor. So these little mounting brackets will sit there and then you'll run this piping through, I'm guessing, these mounting brackets, which have adhesive 3M on the back. or as you can see up here on my above camera. Do you like my above camera? It's the first time I've decided to actually use it, so hopefully you guys are liking that. But yeah, so these are little mounting brackets that will help you bend around like this, which is really cool. Govee, you've done well. You've done well. I'm quite impressed by this because I wasn't sure, like, you know, there's a lot of brands online. I wasn't sure if this brand was, but the quality of all this stuff is really good. Now I'm guessing these are for mounting on your screen, and so you can put them around. And I think what these do is with your camera, they align and kind of show where the edge of frame is. And I'm assuming that's what they will do. Okay, so I'm going to break it down what comes in the box. So we have our mounting brackets here. We've got our piping that will go around the back of the monitor. We've got our 2 lighting bars right here. We have our camera, and then we have a whole bunch of collateral here that will help mount and kind of get everything to the right place. And we've got our user's manual. Well, that completes the unboxing. Now it's time to take a look at how to set this up and create some 3D immersive lighting with this product. Now, if you're keen to watch the next video, you should click the one right here, and I talk about how to set this up, how to make it work, and how you can create a really cool look in your own studio or gaming space. I'll see you in the next video. So you're still here? There's no more video. You should definitely click on that video.